afternoon to day one in Las Vegas. And today is the 21st of May, and I'm gonna be staying here for 5 nights and 5 days. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along. So technically yesterday was our first day in Las Vegas, but we were just traveling from Chicago to Las Vegas, so there was really nothing that we did, which is why I started the vlog today. Today again was a really chill day. I woke up really late, grabbed some breakfast from downstairs. By the way, we're staying at a hotel called Bailey's. It's spelled Ballys. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I'm just assuming it's Bailey's. So yeah, I was saying that I grabbed some breakfast from downstairs, just a muffin, some yogurt and water. After which we went to the pool, and by we I mean my mom and my dad and me. We went to the pool, just chilled, read a really cool book. It's called Girl Boss. I'm sure everyone has heard of it already. It's a really nice book and I'm really enjoying it so far. Anyway, I just got back from the pool, got ready, and we're just gonna go ahead and explore the city. Also, I have a show tonight. I don't know what it's called. It's a French name, I think. But I'm gonna take you guys along. So yeah, let's go. And good afternoon to day 2 in Las Vegas. I know, good afternoon again because I'm too lazy and I wake up late because I'm on vacation, so yeah. So today's plan is to go on this monorail. I don't know if I've mentioned it to you guys, but there's a monorail inside my hotel. I know that's crazy, but that monorail covers a part of Las Vegas. So we're just gonna hop on the monorail and explore the area, and if I get lucky, shop a little bit. So yeah, let's go. So as you can see, I'm back in my room, and monorail was a total fail because even though we sat on the monorail and went across, we couldn't get down on any of the stations because it was so hot. So yeah, we just ended up coming back and we went to shop, and we ended up shopping a little bit here and there. And as for today, I have the rest of the evening to myself, so I'm gonna kind of make it a spa day. So I'm gonna be using the new face pack that I bought, and also I'm gonna be using one of the bath bombs from Lush. So yeah, come along. By the way, how pretty is the sunset? I mean, you can't really see the sun, but then the gradation. Yeah, I love sunsets. Hi and good morning to day 3. Yes, I did say good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning and we're going to be leaving to Grand Canyon. It's quite a ride. I think it's around 3 to 4 hours by road. So it's going to be a long trip, and as you can see I'm going barefaced because I just can't do it in the morning. Anyway, I think I'm running a little bit late, so let's go. Well, now that was something. I just got done with the helicopter ride. It's right behind me if you guys can see it over there. So I think it was about 25 minutes and we got the view of the Grand Canyon and it was pretty cool, yeah. Hi, I'm back in the room. As you can probably tell, I knocked out on the bus. I was so sleepy. I've been up since like 4:30. Also, I got rid of my lenses, hence the glasses. I think a lot of people don't know that I do have glasses. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything today. It's 7 o'clock right now, and I think I'm just gonna be editing this week's video, and maybe I'll be drawing a bath and doing another bubble bar or a bath bomb. Let's see. Yeah, I'll update you guys later. Good morning to the last full day in Las Vegas, because tomorrow we'll be traveling and we have our flights to Seattle. So today is our last day, and today I woke up at around 12 o'clock. I know that's pretty late, but yesterday was quite a long day, so I just let myself be. And now I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I have been doing my makeup for the past, I think, 10 days. It's been basically the same, and a lot of you guys requested me to show you how I do it, so yeah, this is how I do it. So my skin has been acting really weird. It's really oily normally, but it's really dry here. So I've been using this Clarins Double Serum, and I use 2 pumps of that and massage it all over my skin. Now the key to using a serum is not by rubbing it in, but basically you have to just press it in. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to foundation. I've been using my favorite, again, Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. I'm in the shade 322 Warm Honey. Nothing really special, I just take it on the back of my hand and apply it all over my face. So the last time that I used this product, it was in an everyday makeup routine, and a lot of you guys told me that this foundation is lighter than my skin, and I can see it even right now. It does look lighter on camera, but it's called Fit Me because it's supposed to kind of oxidize into your skin tone. So I know at first it might look lighter, but you'll see once I start blending, it'll blend with my skin color, I guess. So I use the Forever 21 makeup brush to blend my makeup. Now since I have gotten really tanned over the past few days, to make the foundation really look like my skin color, I like to use this spray Face Dew by Hiranista, and I like to spray it all over my face and blend it in again. This also moisturizes my face a step further. I like to use this compact by Maybelline. It's the Clear Glow All-in-One Compact, and that is in the shade 04 Sand Beige. Next, moving on to brows. As usual, I like to use my Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade. Now because it's so cold outside, my pomade almost sort of froze and it doesn't work as well as it used to. So again, the Face Dew comes to my rescue. I just like to do like 1 pump. Yeah, I think that should be enough. And it just really makes the whole process much simpler. I'm gonna move on to highlighter, which is my favorite part. Okay, so I got the Becca's Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I've been wanting to get this for so long, so I'm just gonna be picking up using a brush that I have. It's actually an eyeshadow brush, but it doesn't matter as long as it does the job. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, under my brow bones, and I've been also applying it on my chin. So we're done with highlight. I don't really do the whole contouring and blush situation every day. So we're gonna move on to eyeliner. Now I've been doing a really dramatic wing eyeliner almost every single day, except yesterday. Yesterday was the only day when I didn't do it, but other than that, for the last, I think, 15 days, I've been doing cat eyeliner or wing eyeliner every single day. So that's what I'm going to be doing today as well. I like to use my favorite Lakme Insta Liner. It costs for like 100 rupees, I think, and I think it's the best. Anyway, moving on to mascara. I've been using a combination of 2 mascaras. The first one is my Maybelline Lash Sensational and the other one is by Too Faced. Now what I like to do is I like to start off by using the Maybelline Lash Sensational on my top and bottom lashes. Now the Lash Sensational mascara really adds length to my lashes, but to get that volume, I like to use the Too Faced one. So I guess moving on to lipstick, which is the last step. I've been so boring and monotonous and so repetitive with my lipstick. I've been wearing the Kat Von D's Lolita. I wear that all the time, and today is no different day either. So I'm done with the makeup, and this is what it looks like. So I don't think I told you guys why I was even getting ready and what was today's plan. So today we're gonna be going for JLo's concert at 9 o'clock, and I think it's a perfect way to kind of close our Las Vegas trip. And the best part is that I get to get you guys along. Hi everyone, it's the next day. I didn't vlog yesterday night because the minute I came into my room, I knocked out. Now, talking about yesterday's show, it was pretty epic. I'm not gonna lie, I don't listen to JLo's music and I was never a fan, but I think I might just end up listening to her songs now after the show because I think she is so cool and her music is pretty cool as well. And with that, we conclude our Las Vegas trip. I really didn't expect much out of this trip because I'm not even allowed in more than half of the places, but I think this ended up being one of my favorite trips and I'm so glad I could get you guys along, and I also hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!